Hi there little kids. Today I'll teach you how to draw a nice beautiful fish bowl. So let's get started. First you need to draw two little lines, standing lines. Okay. Now you need to draw a circular shape. Join the two lines. We're drawing the sand at the bottom of the fish bowl. Now let's draw the fish. That's the fish's eyes. I'm drawing a fish with a nice, beautiful tail. You can draw any designs of your choice. And you can give any color. Let's draw the fins. Now you can draw some nice plants. Okay, now draw a straight line. That's the water in the fish bowl. And we're going to draw some nice bubbles inside. Okay, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.